Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! Hello there. Like I said, I am so excited. It's New Year. I have the energy that I'm quite sure that you've noticed. I love being able to give you information to scale your cleaning business, like I said, to six figures and beyond. So I'm going to talk about what 2% are willing to do and 98% of you cleaning business owners aren't. What is that? That's making sure that at least once a week you work on your business and not in it. One time, set aside one day where you're working on the business. That means you're doing lead magnets. You're making sure that you have your social media posts up. You're doing your branding. You're actually looking at what's going to work for your employees, what's not. It is so amazing to me that we can get so overwhelmed. I know in my cleaning business, I've got my head down. I'm, grinding. We're busy. And then all of a sudden you realize that the whole week has gone by and you've only done the type of task that's going to keep you exactly where you are. It's not going to move you forward. So you have to set time aside to do thinking, to be creative, to look at what you need to do as if you were on the outside looking in, looking down on your business and not in your business. So it's all about working on it. And having a schedule is so important. I have a schedule for everything I do Monday through Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it might be a little bit different, but 2-hour increments, 2-hour increments, 2-hour increments, breaks in there, lunchtime, everything is scheduled because that's what only 2% are willing to do. The other 90% feel it's not important. And that is the reason why when you set your schedules and you stick to them, and these are not goals, these are not what I call like New Year's goals or anything like that, or what we call, New Year's resolutions. This is simply staying on target, staying focused, seeing where your time is going. It's just like tracking your money. What you measure, you start to see where it's going and it starts to increase. If you start paying attention to it, it's going to increase. That's negative or positive. You start looking at negative things and paying attention to it, you'll start noticing a lot of negative things. You start looking at positive things and pay attention to it, you'll start noticing a whole lot of positive things. So I'd love for you to do what the 2% are willing to do and the other 98% are not willing to do with your cleaning business. And that is stay focused, do a schedule, and one time during the week. If it's on the weekend, it might be a Saturday, it might be a Sunday. Make sure that you are paying attention to working on the business and not in the business. That means you're working on the customer attraction systems, on the making sure that you have everything ready to acquire the customer once you've done the walkthrough, making sure that you have everything to retain them. So once you've gotten the contract, what are you doing? What's your customer service look like? Are you getting feedback to make sure your customers are happy? Are you managing customer expectations? And most importantly, what are you doing to make sure that you find the best, most reliable cleaning employees to work in your cleaning business? And that is all about the retention. The three major components of customer retention are making sure that you manage your customer expectations, having great employees that are well trained, and having a QA area, a quality inspection area set aside where you have all the documentations, you have a regular time frame, you know what you're going to inspect. Your quality control inspection has to be on point. Have the sheet, know that you're going out, you're grading, you're having your trainers or someone that is not going into the account every day. You want a fresh set of eyes looking at this account. So like I said, if you want to really do what 2% are only doing and 98% are, then make sure you sign up for my masterclass. I'm going to make sure I take you through what you need to do, how you need to set up your systems every single day. This masterclass is live. We have a fantastic time. If you're interested, click the link below to make sure you register. And if you'd like to know more, please reach out to us at 407-595-1598. That's 407-595-1598. I'm your host, Mrs. M. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.